Okay, are you ready? Now play. Whoa! Hey everyone, welcome back to new Tec Pro channel. In today's video, we're building a powerful 3-channel audio system using this amazing amplifier board. So stick around until the end, you won't want to miss it. Okay, let's try set up this module amplifier. The input of this amplifier, you can see here, this amplifier is 12 to 18 volt. So you can build a home speaker or you can build a car audio system. For this video, I use 12 volt 5A adapter for power supply. Connect the power supply here. That's good. And for input stereo audio, I use AUX cable for input stereo audio here. That's good. Let's connect a speaker to output amplifier. You can see here output amplifier. You can see here a stereo output left speaker, positive, negative, right speaker, negative, positive, and output subwoofer, positive and negative. Well, friends, I connect the wire speaker here. You can see these two wire for mid-range speaker and this wire for subwoofer. Let's try test and play music. Turn it on adapter. As you can see, turn it on LED light here. Now we can play music. Before play music, please subscribe new Tec Pro channel and support us. Let's try play music.